Fahadh Faasil's Tamil comedy crime thriller Maareesan will soon hit Netflix. Read further to know its exact OTT release date. The makers of Fahadh Faasil and Vadavellu star Maareesan will soon make a splash on OTT. The makers took to their Instagram profiles to share the announcement with fans. The film, that released in theaters on July 25, received good reviews from critics. However, it was unable to recover its budget at the box office. However, now it's making way to OTT. Fahadh Faasil and Vadavellu star will be released on Netflix this week. Get in, guys, we are going to Thiruvannamalai. Watch Maareesan on Netflix, out August 22 in Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. Read Netflix India's caption. In the film, based on a screenplay by V. Krishnamurthy and directed by Satish Sankar, Fahadh reunited with Vadavellu after 2023's Maman, the Maareesan directorial, which was a box office success and received critical acclaim for their performances. Maareesan also features Vivek Prasanna playing Fahadh's character's friend, along with P.L. Thenipan and Kovai Sarala as cops. The cast also includes Sithara, Livingston, Saravana Sabaya, Renuka, Krishna, Telephone Raja, and Harita. The film, produced by Super Good Films, is a light-hearted, feel-good road movie that takes a sharp turn into the thriller genre. Based on the 1957 Maya Bazer song Ahaha in Bani Lavanal, Maareesan deals with Fahadh Faasil and Vadavellu traversing diverse landscapes on a bike until the atmosphere changes dramatically when they start singing Maya Bazer songs, giving chills and thrills to the audience. While the exact budget of the Tamil comedy crime thriller is unknown, reportedly, Maareesan was made at a limited cost. The film opened with 75 rupees lakhs. According to Sackmilk, in 6 days the film earned just 4.54 rupees crore despite good reviews. Also read Bads of Bollywood. First look out now. Aryan Khan's show is Thoda J.